Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ronnie, and on this channel we treat our hair like it's an art project. As you can see, this is a complete art project. Okay, I jumped outside my comfort zone and I tried a new color. This time I went turquoise. There is about 6 to 7 colors in this hair look. So stay tuned if you want to see how I created this look.
So here are the 7 colors that were used for this custom color blend. Starting from left to right, we have this cute and light periwinkle blue. Then we have this cool mint green color. This color is so unique and hard to find. I literally can only find this color online. Then I have this electric lime green. This is by far the brightest color I've ever put in my hair. Next we have the sky blue, not to be confused with baby blue. Then we have this turquoise color. This is the foundational color for this look. All the other colors I used will build upon this color as the center focus. And finally, I added this deep charcoal gray as well as a light powder gray. I chose these 2 colors to mellow out and mute all the bright colors that I will be using for this custom color blend. So the first 3 colors that I'm going to blend will consist of the sky blue, the turquoise, and the mint green. We are working with a monochromatic color scheme. So for those of you who are well versed in color theory, this should be a treat. Since the colors are similar in nature, they should blend seamlessly together. The next 3 colors that I'm going to blend are the bleach blonde, the electric lime green, and the sky blue. I cheated here and added some bleach blonde because I wanted to lighten up the blend for the very light color to place at the bottom of my hair. This blend helped me maintain as much lime green as possible without it being too overwhelming. I won't be doing too many braids in this color. Just one singular row will do, not too much. Finally, I'll be taking the sky blue, charcoal gray, periwinkle blue, lime green, and turquoise, and I'm going to blend all 5 of these colors together. The charcoal gray is for the seamless blending with my naturally dark hair. I think it helps to hide my hair from view and helps to give it more of a natural flow. Here's another one I did by adding more turquoise. Look at that. How unique is this color? Here's a comparison of the both of them side by side. They're similar but different enough to give that subtle contrast I'm going for. Both of these shades will most likely be placed near the crown of my head, mostly so the black hair can blend out with the gray. Here are the 9 color blends that I created using the 7 colors shown to you at the beginning of this video. This color scheme is monochromatic, as mentioned. If you'd like to become more knowledgeable on color theory and what colors would look best for you and your skin tone, click the link in my bio because I could teach you a little something. But no, for real, aren't these gorgeous? Look at these close-ups. They're just stunning. And there they are, side by side. Look like a sexy clear waterfall. Okay, let's go get this hair together, girl.
This is the final results, and I have to say I am very impressed. Once again, we did do a layered ombre look, so the lighter colors are more focused generally to the bottom, and it progressively gets darker, more blue, more green. closer to the top. I think the result of this look was a fresh, trendy, and unique look that is sure to turn heads wherever you go. So if you want to recreate this look, just, you know, watch the video over again, try it yourself, get creative, use some colors, and get busy. An art project that you wear honestly makes you feel so alive inside. You feel so in tune with yourself, and honestly, it feels like you're putting your most authentic self forward. So I highly recommend that if you are wanting to experiment with color, just follow this channel and we can do it together. I can give you some inspirational ideas and you could also do the same. It's giving mermaid. Let me know if you have any creative ideas that I could call this hair look. I really think I should call this color either mermaid or turquoise affair. I'm not sure. This color is just so pretty. Also, I have decided to give this technique of color blending a name. Yes, girl. We are calling this specific method of blending 4, 5, or more colors together, and also in an ombre layer fashion. We're going to call them mystique braids. So basically what they are is an upgrade from box braids, the generic one color, one tone box braid look, and we've upgraded it. Now we're going to call them mystique braids. So if you ever do try and implement any of these colors that you see here on my channel, please hashtag mystique braids. We can make this a thing. And yeah, I think mystique braids is a really cool name that we're gonna call the looks that I have been creating on this channel. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna turn around, and I'm gonna show you ladies my hair layer by layer so you can get a really good insight on how the colors develop and build upon each other, as I always do. If you ladies are having any trouble maybe working with colors and you don't necessarily know what colors will work well with your skin tone, I highly suggest you click the link in my description box, because I have a ebook that can help you discover the colors that will match you the best and that can really highlight and augment the beauty that shines from within. So go ahead, check out that link. It's all about color theory, all about embracing yourself and pretty much pushing you to the next level in your style journey. So I feel so unique and so alive when I do things that just genuinely make me happy. I'm not necessarily following any trends. I'm not trying to be anyone. I create my own looks, and this gives me so much confidence, and I really hope I can share that confidence with you ladies as well. I feel so pretty. I feel so pretty when I do stuff like this. I was actually super afraid of doing something so dramatically outside of the color range of natural hair colors, because it could go one of two ways. I could either end up looking like a complete hot ghetto mess, or I could end up looking like an art project. Most of my looks do end with me looking like an art project, but there's always that fear. There's always that fear of stepping outside your comfort zone and trying something new. And because it's on your head, everyone can see it, it's kind of nerve-wracking. But every single time that I try something new, I truly do feel beautiful. And that's not just physically speaking. I mean, it's hard to explain. You gotta do it yourself, girl. Today's inspirational quote for this video is that beauty begins the moment you decide to start being yourself. And this quote is by Coco Chanel. So I hope this helps in your style journey. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you all.